At a time when scientists have been stressing on the need to increase or ramp up the COVID-19 testing across the country, a Bengaluru-based startup that has been incubated by the Indian Institute of Science has come up with a COVID-19 RT-PCR testing kit that can deliver results in just about 1.5 hours. Now, how is this different from the other kits that are already in the market? Well, to give you a broad sense of how long an RT-PCR kit ideally takes to test and to actually give results, we understand that it's somewhere between 2.5 to 4 hours depending on the various specifications of a kit. But here you have a kit that's all set to deliver results in just about 2 hours, and that is what is the need of the hour, because let's remember that time is essence, and you have had scientists stressing on the need to increase, to ramp up COVID-19 testing kit. While of course, yes, the rapid antigen tests that did hit India did of course help to a certain extent in increasing the testing. This is an RT-PCR test, the most accurate that you would ideally find in the market right now, that's giving us results in just about 1.5 hours. Well, joining me now is in fact Professor Utpal Tattu, who's not only developed this kit with his team, but also who's going to throw us a little bit light on how this is different, how this is going to help change the scenario today. First of all, sir, a great job by the team also. Heartiest congratulations to the whole team that's come up with this.
Yes.
If you can help us understand, how is this kit going to be different from the other kits that are already existing in hospitals today and labs, and how is this going to help change the scenario today?
Okay. So first of all, let me say that the kits which are already being used are also very good, I think, because they've all been approved by ICMR, which is the nodal body which is validates, which tests, extensively tests. So anything that goes on in the market has to be very good. So we shouldn't take any value out of there. Now, but advantage that we've had is that we are latecomers in the game. Already so many kits in the market. So we've had time to actually study what are the factors that are playing a role. And we have tried to use those factors. And one of the factors that we thought would be advantageous is the cost, and the other is of course time. Now, without compromising the accuracy, so our kit is 100% specific, yet we have tried to reduce the time so that that whole test, PCR test, gets over within 2 hours. And as a result, we will hope that more number of tests can be conducted in a given amount of time, more number of samples can be covered, and more accurate and fast results can be conveyed to people.
Okay.
That's been, yeah.
Okay. I'd like to ask you a little bit, delving into the specifics. What were some of the challenges that you possibly faced along the way? Because, that's something that never really comes out to the fore. We're saying that the kit has been developed, but there must have been some challenges along the way that, you must have faced as a team.
It's a very good question. I think lots of challenges, especially because the country has gone through so many difficult situations because of the lockdown and educational institutions being locked down. I must say that Indian Institute of Science had a wonderful safety mechanisms in place at a time when lockdown was going on. So they allowed some essential services to function without compromising safety. We had a safety team out of Indian Institute of Science which made sure that this balance is struck very well so that most essential things continue. And where we are standing today is actually a body called CCAMP, which is where some of these innovations have also occurred, because although we are originating out of Indian Institute of Science, we are currently functioning at CCAMP.
Okay.
They also allowed to carry out the most essential functions at a time when the country was in a lockdown.
All right.
That is one challenge that we faced. The bigger challenge really was that obtaining material. Couriers were not working, shipments were not happening, communication was difficult.
Yeah.
And those were the challenges that we had, that how do we get the material at the right time? How do we get scientists to come to work at the right time?
Right.
And so these challenges, I think Government of Karnataka have helped, our organization, Indian Institute of Science, has helped, CCAMP has helped, and altogether, we are a wee bit late, but not too late.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, in about a month and a half now, hopefully, is what the professor has said, that we should be seeing these kits coming out to hospitals, to diagnostic centers, and hopefully, soon enough, we as a country will be able to progress and ramp up our testing even more than we have currently. In Bengaluru, with video journalist Sunil, this is Neha Hebali for Mirror Now.